Hey guys, I'm Press, and guess what just dropped by the office? It's the new LG Wing, which is kind of a weird phone. If you don't know what I'm talking about, stick around, we're about to unbox it and have our first impressions. Okay, here's the box, LG Wing. Let's check it out. Now, you'll notice something thematic here. That's kind of a weird box. So this spins around, this is where accessories are. And here, of course, we have the phone. Set that aside for a second. A 25-watt fast charger, USB-C cable, and in here, no headphones, but we do have a USB-C to headphone jack adapter. Oops, almost forgot. We also have a case hidden inside the box. It's a nice purplish color, which kind of fits the phone, and it's got this grip on the bottom, so it's probably gonna make it very easy to hold the phone. On to the LG Wing. Let's turn it on. Now, what's so special about this phone, you might ask? Well, check it out. That is something entirely new. Here's our first impressions. It's kind of thick, it's heavy, it's got a beautiful finish on the back. I love this color. This thing has gimbal-like optics, I mean optical stabilization on the front, and the phone is ready to be set up. And here we are, the phone is on and ready to go. So no crazy stuff like high refresh rate here, just your typical LG Android stuff until you do this, of course. So what's the big deal? You've got two screens, one tiny one, and then you have the main screen here, which becomes this landscape thing. We've got tips and tricks down here. Nobody ever reads those. Okay, how do I use this? Maybe I should have used the tips and tricks. Anyway, as you can see, we have the home screen down here, and then here we have a few select apps which we can launch and use. Back button on the bottom screen does nothing. So they're entirely separate from one another. So let me show you something else that is cool. This is the camera, and we have a gimbal-like camera here, and we can actually control it with this joystick. Can't wait to shoot some videos with this, check it out. So this is a very interesting concept. But as for this phone, it's kind of thick, it's kind of heavy, it's pretty looking, it's interesting, it's definitely gonna cause some heads to turn, and we'll see what it does. So far so good. This is the LG Wing. We're about to review it, so make sure you subscribe, maybe turn on notifications not to miss it. What do you think about this crazy concept? Do you think it has some type of future in our current market? Or do you think it's just one more wacky thing from LG? Let us know in the comments down below. See you next time.